Welcome to Shell's Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. I recently made a strawberry swirl cheesecake and had some cheesecake filling left, so I thought I would put it into some brownies. So I wanted to share that with you. Today I'm going to make some cheesecake brownies. And don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos like this in the future. So with that all said, let's make some cheesecake brownies. So for our brownie batter, we are going to start with 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're just going to mix this all together until it's kind of light and creamy. Okay, so in this bowl I have 4.5 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 1/4 sticks of unsalted butter that I have melted together. So I'm going to add this into our egg and sugar mixture. And then we'll mix that together real good. Now we're going to add 1 1/3 cups of flour, and I also have in here a 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well. And again, we're just going to mix that in until it's good and incorporated. You want to make sure you scrape your sides and your bottom, make sure everything gets good and incorporated. Now we're going to take our pan, and I have here just a 9 by 13 parchment lined pan. I've sprayed the bottom just with a light coating of just butter spray, nothing special. And I've lined it with parchment paper sticking out off the sides so it'll be easy to take out when it's cooled. So we're going to go ahead and just pour our brownie batter in there. And now take our cheesecake filling and just kind of spoon that in. So I'm just going to take a little stick here and just kind of start up here and go through the batter and come back this way, and just going to go back and forth until I've swirled it together. Okay, when I get down here, I'm going to go the other direction. And just same thing, just swirl it back and forth. Okay, beautiful. Now, this is going to go into our preheated 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So our cheesecake brownies are out of the oven. They actually went about 30 minutes and they absolutely look and smell delicious. So I'm going to be cutting some heart shapes out of these later for some Valentine gifts. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you make these, let me know in the comments. And in case you didn't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications